If you use WooCommerce to sell virtual products, then the checkout process can be a little bit daunting for some customers. The standard WooCommerce is designed to sell physical products, so it asks for name, email, address, phone numbers, delivery address if it's different from billing address, etc., etc. A lot of those fields are unnecessary for people who sell virtual products like me. I'm starting to sell some courses and using WooCommerce to deliver some courses. So there is a way to remove many of the checkout fields that you don't need. So let me show you what my setup looks like. So I've added to cart. Now if I go to the checkout, so all I'm asking for is name, email, and then an account password so people can log into my site and access the course content. To do this, we can do it in a couple of ways. We can add some code into our functions.php, which is the way I've done it. So if I open up and show you what the code looks like, you can cut and paste this into your functions.php file, which lives in your theme directory. And what we're saying is we're going to add a filter, and we're going to unset a series of fields. So unsetting building company, address, city, postcode, country, state, phone number, and we're getting rid of the order notes as well. So what this does is it adds a filter to the checkout and removes those fields. I'll add a link in the notes for this video, but here's a link to a WooCommerce document, and that has a complete list of all of the fields that are available. So you can unset them all. You can unset some of them or leave in company if that was important to you, for example. So we've got billing, shipping, and account details here. If you're not into coding, of course there's a plugin available for that. Flexible checkout fields is very good. What that does is it gives you, let me get some screenshots, it gives you the ability to check out or edit your checkout and unset some of the fields using a plugin rather than adding code. I prefer code because the more plugins you add, the more resources taken, and that can impact on performance of your site. If you've got any questions or you need help customizing your checkout, please get in touch.